What are you doing?
Recording.
This is what we do with our free time.
Because we're like this. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What? Is it my breath? I've been on a no stinking food diet since Thursday just in case I got the chance to kiss you. So it's not my breath.
I can't do that. Oh, I don't like it. It's in my nails. It's in my nails. I don't like it.
I don't want to get used to sniffing things.
How much soap? How much soap has this got? I said. Don't mock me. It smells like soap.
You know, I would, but I just ran away jogging, so it's like not working for me.